Hey y'all, it's me, Slayed by Jordan. All right, y'all. Today we are working with one of my OG favorite wig companies of all time, Wiggins Hair. First, we're gonna look at the goodies that came inside my packaging. Wiggins Hair sent us over this 36-inch loose deep wave 13 by 4 HD lace frontal wig. As you can see, it comes super full, such a pretty pattern. It comes with the knots fully bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked to a T. You can take this wig fresh out the box and install it as is, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. We have our favorite girl Bird here today, and we're gonna do this install. So first what I'm using is my Ruby Kisses level 12, the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm gonna put that all over the lace. And then I'm gonna spray it with some hairspray. So now we're gonna put that wig on her head and make sure it is perfectly positioned into place. We're gonna cut out our ear tabs and then we're gonna sew it down. Now we're going to apply her glue. I'm applying it in the shape of her hairline, and I'm just going to smooth that back as evenly as possible. Make sure that each layer turns clear before you apply the next. We did 3 layers today. Her last layer has turned clear, so let's go ahead and lay that lace down. Now we're going to blow dry that lace on high speed, interchange it between warm and cool air for about a minute, and then we're going to part her down the middle and tie her down with our elastic band. After having that band tied for about 10 minutes, we're going to take it off and cut off all our excess lace. Now we're going to take our hot comb and our rat tail comb along with our wax stick to make sure that part is perfectly in the middle and everything is flat and seamless. Y'all know Miss Burke cannot live without her baby hairs, so we're going to do some baby hairs today. We're going to do the OG baby hairs. We're going to do 3 on each side versus 2 on each side. I really wanted to give like an exotic, like vacation type of feel, so we went a little extra on the baby hairs today. I kind of miss doing the OG baby hairs where we did 3 on each side versus the 2. They're smaller and, you know, they just give a different look versus the 2. And now we're going to spray that lace with freeze spray just to melt it even further. And we're going to tie that down with the elastic band for 10 minutes as well. Our 10 minutes are up, so now it's time to take off the elastic band and proceed to do our baby hairs. You know, we're going to cut them with our eyebrow razor, curl them upwards with our pencil flat irons, and swoop them with our edge brush and foaming mousse. And then we're going to tie them down with 3 wrap strips and set her under a dryer on high for 20 minutes. Her 20 minutes under the dryer is now up, so we're going to take off those wrap strips to reveal those baby hairs. As you can see, baby, they are laid and they are in place. Of course, you know I'm going to comb them out and just customize it a little bit more off camera. But now we're going to get into that part. I'm just taking some powder, and we're just going to put that directly in the part just to give it a more natural look and make it pop a little more. I'm not going to use any black spray today or my root touch-up pen. We're literally just going to put some powder in her part to open it up, and to make sure it stays, we're going to spray it with some high hold hairspray and blow dry it. To define our waves, we're going to use some mousse from Cream of Nature. I didn't wet this hair down at all. I just put the mousse on top and just quickly ran my fingers through it. And then I took a bunch of mousse and just started slapping it on there and really put it at the bottom. And I combed it out with a wide tooth comb just to keep the waves and not make it look so wet and thin. I wanted to keep like that natural fluffy look, but I did want to define the waves some more. And when you just use mousse on your own, the hair dries so much quicker versus when you wet it and then add mousse. If you add mousse on top of dry hair, it dries so much quicker and faster. For some added shine, we're going to spray our Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat spray, and y'all get into this wave pattern. This wig is so beautiful. When I tell y'all, Wiggins Hair never misses. Whether it's curly, loose, deep wave, straight, bundles, closures, frontals, wigs, they just have it going on. Highly recommend. Y'all, let's get into that final look. I am loving it. Make sure you check the description box below for more information on how to purchase this exact wig and more wigs and hair from Wiggins Hair. I love you all so much. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.